Are you secretly hoping that a quick detox diet will magically erase weeks of indulgence and leave you feeling like a brand new person? We're about to pull back the curtain on the alluring world of detox diets, revealing not just what they promise, but what they actually deliver. Forget the hype and the celebrity endorsements. We're diving into the undisputed scientific facts, empowering you with knowledge that will fundamentally change how you view your body's incredible ability to cleanse itself. Prepare to discover the truth, debunk common myths, and gain a profound appreciation for your own internal detox power, saving you time, money, and potential health risks. The concept of detoxification has become a pervasive cultural narrative, particularly in the health and wellness sphere. It conjures images of purging toxins, flushing impurities, and achieving a pristine internal state. From juice cleanses to colon irrigations, activated charcoal concoctions to strict fasting regimes, the market is saturated with products and protocols promising to detox your body. The appeal is undeniable. In a world where we feel increasingly exposed to environmental pollutants, processed foods, and stress, the idea of hitting a reset button is incredibly tempting. But beneath the shiny marketing and anecdotal success stories lies a much more complex and often overlooked physiological reality. The human body is not a stagnant reservoir that passively accumulates toxins, waiting for an external intervention to cleanse it. It is a dynamic, sophisticated biological machine equipped with an extraordinary, continuous, and highly efficient detoxification system that operates tirelessly, 24/7. The primary unsung heroes of this internal detoxification symphony are your liver and kidneys. These aren't just organs, they're highly specialized, constantly working filtration and processing plants. Your liver, in particular, is a metabolic powerhouse. It takes chemicals, drugs, alcohol, and metabolic byproducts and transforms them into less harmful, water-soluble compounds that can then be safely excreted from the body. This process involves a complex series of enzymatic reactions, often categorized into Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification pathways. Phase 1 primarily modifies toxins, while Phase 2 then conjugates these modified toxins with other molecules, rendering them even more soluble and ready for elimination. This isn't a process that needs boosting by a trendy juice. It's a fundamental biological imperative that your liver performs naturally, provided it has the necessary raw materials. Then there are your kidneys, the body's master filters. Every day, your kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood, removing waste products, excess salts, and water, and converting them into urine for excretion. They play a critical role in maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones. Without your kidneys, toxins would rapidly build up to dangerous levels, leading to severe health complications. They are constantly monitoring and adjusting your internal environment with unparalleled precision. Trying to detox your kidneys with special teas or supplements is not only redundant but can sometimes even be harmful, depending on the ingredients and quantities consumed. Beyond these two primary organs, other systems contribute significantly to your body's natural detoxification. Your lungs expel gaseous waste products like carbon dioxide. Your skin, through sweating, eliminates some minor toxins and metabolic byproducts, though its primary role is temperature regulation. Even your digestive system, particularly the colon, plays a crucial role in eliminating waste and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which can influence overall health and immune function. A healthy gut ensures efficient absorption of nutrients and proper elimination of waste. The body's inherent detoxification system is a beautifully orchestrated network, intricately designed to protect you. Here's the crucial twist that many detox proponents conveniently omit. Your body already has everything it needs for detoxification. It doesn't need external cleanses or flushes. In fact, these extreme measures can often backfire. Many detox diets involve severe caloric restriction, elimination of entire food groups, or reliance on laxatives and diuretics. While you might experience initial weight loss, this is almost entirely water weight and glycogen depletion, not true fat loss, and certainly not the purging of toxins, in the way it's often advertised. The rapid weight loss can be appealing, offering a false sense of efficacy, but it's a transient effect. Moreover, nutrient deficiencies can arise from highly restrictive diets, impacting your body's ability to perform its natural functions, including its actual detoxification processes. Iron, B vitamins, and essential fatty acids are just a few examples of nutrients that can become scarce on ill-conceived detox plans. Consider the potential dangers. Excessive laxative use, common in many detox protocols, can lead to electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, and even damage to the colon over time, making it reliant on external stimuli for bowel movements. Extreme fasting can induce fatigue, irritability, headaches, and even more serious conditions like hypoglycemia. In some cases, the ingredients in detox supplements are unregulated and can interact negatively with medications or exacerbate pre-existing health conditions. The promise of feeling better often comes from the placebo effect or simply the temporary reduction of processed foods and stimulants like caffeine, which any healthy eating plan would achieve. The irony is that by engaging in these extreme detoxes, you might inadvertently be stressing your body's natural detoxification pathways rather than supporting them. So, if detox diets are largely ineffective and potentially harmful, what does genuinely support your body's incredible detox system? The answer is remarkably simple and far less glamorous than a juice cleanse. A consistent, balanced, nutrient-dense diet, adequate hydration, regular physical activity, and sufficient sleep. Provide your liver and kidneys with the raw materials they need to do their jobs effectively. This means consuming a wide variety of whole, unprocessed foods, plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which are crucial for optimal organ function. Antioxidants, found abundantly in colorful produce, help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on your cells. Fiber aids in regular bowel movements, ensuring proper elimination of waste. Hydration is paramount. Water acts as the universal solvent, facilitating the transport of nutrients and the removal of waste products. It keeps your kidneys functioning optimally and ensures smooth digestion. Similarly, regular physical activity supports blood circulation, which is vital for delivering nutrients to your organs and transporting waste away. It also promotes sweating, a minor but contributing factor to waste elimination. And as for sleep? It's your body's repair and regeneration cycle. During sleep, your organs, including your liver, work on processing and eliminating toxins, and your body replenishes its energy stores. Depriving yourself of sleep directly impedes your body's natural restorative and detoxifying processes. The payoff for understanding this truth is immense. Genuine, sustainable well-being, rather than a fleeting, potentially risky quick fix. Instead of chasing a marketing-driven detox, you can cultivate a lifestyle that inherently supports your body's incredible internal systems. This shift in perspective is empowering. It means recognizing the profound intelligence of your own biology and trusting its inherent capabilities. It frees you from the cycle of expensive, often uncomfortable, and ultimately ineffective cleanses. It promotes a balanced relationship with food in your body, fostering long-term health rather than a series of temporary, unsustainable interventions. Embrace the power of your own body's natural detoxification system. Nourish it, respect it, and trust it. It's working for you every single second of every single day. You don't need a fancy diet or a pricey supplement to detox. You need to give your body what it truly thrives on: real food, ample water, movement, and rest. Your body is a masterpiece of self-cleaning. Empower it, don't undermine it.